Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at the gold market. Well, actually, guys, this is just a twin picture of the euro currency that we have talked about today. So I have to say almost the same things that I have said in the report to euro currency, because the patterns, dynamic, everything stands the same. So first of all, as I said, that Fed probably have frightened investors significantly stronger, despite that, there was a market, the expectations that Fed will change the rate in 2023. But maybe, as I said, the official statement is that brings some effect on the market. As a result, you can see this market collapsed and hit major 618 support, almost the same as on the euro currency, with the daily oversold. So potentially, theoretically, we have Napoli bullish stretch patterns that suggest some retracement. But since this downside action is triggered not by pure technical factors, but mostly external driving factor, we have to be careful, and before taking the position, we have to get some clear signs of reversal on intraday charts. So some bullish patterns have to be formed around 1770 that could provide us the background for taking the position on the pullback. At the same time, currently it's very difficult to expect the real reversal and upward continuation, as Fed statements no longer exist. So currently, I think that all the things that we could count on is just some retracement here. Because, as I said on the euro as well, market stands very close to the moment of the break-in overall bullish context. And this drop mostly the subject for a high time frame analysis on the weekly and the monthly chart. Speaking in general on the gold, you could see that market, despite this very significant upward action, still keeps the same tendency of the lower highs and lower lows. So we have clear trend to the downside here, some widening triangle or something of that sort. This market shows the great volatility inside of it. And in the case of the breakout to the downside continuation, we could see drop below the major lows and moving to the major support areas on the monthly chart. So today we hardly will see any activity because investors are shocked by this Fed statement. They need to think. Time to think, time to make the decision what to do with their portfolios, how to treat the statement, and what to expect next. And that also that we will do in the weekend. We'll take a look on the sentiment on the market, what's major analysis of the big whales talk about the gold market, what they think. And as usual, we'll take a look on other statistics that we are following. So meantime, in the current moment, we have the bullish pattern in place here, but as I said, we have to wait for a clear confirmation on the 4 time frame chart or on hourly chart. On the 4 time frame chart, guys, actually by current moment you do not have something really valuable, just mining candle has been formed here. In the case of upward pullback, also stands the same pictures on the euro currency. First area around 18. Even next one, 1825 approximately. Recall that was our broken confidence support previously. It's the same pictures in the euro currency. So it has been broken without any respect, some pullback and retracement. So in the case of the upward action, that might be the potential level that market could try to hit with the upward action. So here I do not see something else. Our recent ABCD has not been formed. Market just starting dropping lower. So the one thing that you maybe could try to follow is this double repo buy, but well, it's already has started and its potential not really very significant. So whether it makes sense or not, you could decide by yourself. Besides here, it seems that we do not have the double repo, because here it was not close about the 3x3. It was first close about 3x3. So it mostly should be treated as a bread and butter sell. So that's the only pointing pattern that we have here. It's almost nothing to do yet. So let's keep watching on today's price action here, maybe the bullish pattern will be formed. And in this case, we will be able to use Napoli bullish stretch right here around 1770. And of course, let's take a look what's going on in the minds of the investors in our weekly report to get some broader and more in-depth view on the overall situation that stands here. Because for me, it's a bit curious that market shows so strong reaction, although this was actually known fact already at this moment where the Fed takes the press conference. Maybe they will have changed something in their forecast on the economy. So we will see.